Good morning, children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. This is assignment number 11 of 6th class. The topic is active voice and passive voice. 10 sentences are given. Okay, you have to change them into passive voice. Very simple sentences are given. First one, he killed a tiger. See, children, so he subject, killed verb, a tiger, object. Before writing the answers, what you have to do is you should divide the sentence into three parts: subject, verb, object. Then what is the rule? So this object of active voice becomes subject, a tiger. Then, so what about this killed? So killed is verb second form, means the given sentence is in simple past tense. So in simple past tense, B forms are was or were. So these two are used in simple past tense as B forms. A tiger singular was, a tiger was, V3 of this main verb, killed by, he becomes, this subject of active voice becomes object in passive voice. What is object form? Him. A tiger was killed by him. Now let us see second one. She bought a book. She subject, bought verb, a book object. So what tense it is? Past tense. By, bought. So this object becomes subject, a book. Then singular was, a book was, B3 of this main verb, by, bought. A book was bought by, she becomes her. A book was bought by her. Third one, we love our country. We subject, love verb, our country object. Children, so identify the tense of the given sentence. So love, V1, present tense. So in present tense, B forms we use are, is, am, or. These three B forms are used in simple present tense. Now object becomes subject, right? Our country. So country singular is, our country is, V3 of this main verb, loud. Our country is loved by, so the subject we becomes us. Subject becomes object. Our country is loved by us. Fourth one, they drink milk daily. They subject, drink verb, milk object. So daily adverb. Now what else it is? See, tense can be decided by concentrating on verb. So this is V1. Drink is V1. Then this milk becomes, subject becomes object. Milk, as it is present tense, is, milk is, V3 of this drink. Drink, drunk. Milk is drunk by, they becomes them, daily. Milk is drunk by them daily. Right, children? Now let us see fifth one. Geeta painted a picture. What tense it is? Past tense. Simple past tense. Geeta subject, painted verb, a picture object. So past tense because verb is in past form. Now, so make this object as subject, a picture. What about this picture, children? Singular. So picture was, V3 of painted is painted, painted. A picture was painted by Geeta. Sixth one, Lata got the prize. So Lata subject, got verb, the prize object. What tense it is, children? Simple past tense. Okay, got. Got verb second form past tense. So make this object as subject. The price. So it is singular. We have to use was. And V3 of this main verb. Get, got. Price was got or gotten also, right? By. So this subject becomes object. By Lata. The prize was got by Lata. Now let's see seventh one. Suresh writes songs. Suresh subject, writes verb, songs object. So then what tense it is? So this is present tense. Simple present tense, because here writes verb takes yes or yes when subject is third person singular. Now this object becomes subject, songs. In present tense we have to use be forms is, am, are. Songs plural, so that takes are. Are is be form, songs are. What is V3 of this writes? Write, wrote, written. Songs are written by Suresh. Songs are written by Suresh. Next one. Eighth one. Mahesh took my pen. Mahesh subject took verb second form my pen object. Okay children, what text it is? The given sentence is in simple past tense. My pen object becomes subject as it is past tense was, because pen is singular. My pen was. V3 of this main verb. Take, took, taken. Taken by Mahesh. My pen was taken by Mahesh. Ninth one. Rajani visits many places. Rajani subject, visits verb, many places object. Children, what tense it is? Simple present tense, because see here verb is in V1. Moreover, it takes yes, visits. So let us make this object as subject. Many places. Many places plural. So we have to use are. Then V3 of this visits. Visit, visited, visited. Or visited by Rajani. Right children? Last one. The headmaster praised Madhu. The headmaster subject, praised verb, Madhu object. So this praised is verb second form, means the given one is in simple past tense. So we have to use either was or were. Madhu singular, so was. V3 of this praised by the headmaster. Okay children, I hope you got this. Thank you. All the best.